Hi guys, welcome to my channel D Cares and Shares. Today we are doing another science experiment. It is called the walking water science experiment. All you need for it is some glasses and food coloring and some paper towels. After I teach you how to fold the paper towels, then we'll go ahead and do the science part. Well, here what you have to do, we have one paper towel here. What we have to do is we fold it in half, and then we have to fold it this one in half, and the last fold is not another this one, it's this way, so that it doesn't have to be too small. I wonder what would happen if it was too small, but I'm not gonna do that. So we have two more here. So what we have to do is we line up these with, we have to line up these cups like this, these 4 cups. I'm using 4, but maybe you could use more. I don't know what would happen that time if you add more food coloring. Now, what we need to do is we have to put water here, keep this one empty, water here, and keep this one empty. Let me go get some water. As you see here, I've got these 3 cups empty and these 3 cups with water. Now, since I filled them with water, I'm going to put blue on this one, yellow on this one, and red on this one, and then we'll put the paper towels. We are now ready, so let's see what the science behind it is. Well, gravity pulls everything down. Well, then how is the water going to travel and go here if gravity pulls everything down? Well, that's gonna be capillary action. It's kind of anti-gravity, and it moves everything up and goes there. So let's put the paper towels. So I think we have to put some a little closer, don't we? Yeah. So let's put this one in here, and this one, these ones in here. I was gonna put it on the other side, and I'll see these ones in here. Wait, I don't think I'm right. And then I'll see here I have some. Yeah, and the last one, this ones have to be closer, and these here. Now we'll wait for a few minutes and let's see what happens. Well, it's been like 5 minutes only, and see this one, there's a little bit of light blue water here. Maybe it will turn green. On this side you can't see maybe, but there's a little bit of green there, and here it's coming a little bit, and here there's a little soaked out. But how does the water travel through, in the paper towels? Well, it's because paper towels are made by fibers, and the fibers have gaps, so the water can travel through the gaps and they'll land in the next area. It's been 25 minutes, and here you see that the empty cups are not empty anymore. For more such fun, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Be sure to share my videos and make sure your friends subscribe too.